Hi, my dear friends, how are you? I hope all are doing very well. So, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Sachin. Today, I am going to talk about my family. Actually, yesterday I was talking about my introductions, and today is day 2. Actually, I choose 90 days topics, and today's topic is my family. So, in my family, there are six members in my family, and with me, six members in my family, and my father age is 72, and my mother's age is 65, and I am 37, and my wife age is 35, and we have two children. I am a farmer. My wife is a homemaker. She cook very well, and I have one daughter and one son. They are going to same school. My daughter studying 9th standard. My son studying 7th standard. And I like farming. I like swimming. I like reading books. And my family members. All my family members is very good when I sick, when I difficult situation. So they are help me a lot of, and always they are take care each other, and I am so happy because I have two wonderful family, and it's my family's headmaster is my mother. Her word is last word in my family. And nowadays I am learning English. I am learning English, so my family members support me. My daughter teach me how to speak English, how to create sentences, how to use patterns, and sometimes my wife speak with me a little bit English. She knows a little bit English, and also she is speaking English. She is learning English. So I am so happy with my family, and this is about my family little bits, and family is very important. Without family I can't live. So my dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and actually I recently started my YouTube channels, and your one subscriber, your one like, and your one share is very important to me, because if you share my video and if you subscribe my channel, my confidence build. So see you my next video. Until bye bye.